Remember when phones had character? That rock-solid build quality, the battery that actually lasted all day, and cameras that felt genuinely innovative. Well, get ready, because a legend is stepping back into the ring. Nokia is about to launch a phone that aims to bring that magic back, and it's called the Nokia X50 Pro 5G. This isn't just a refresh, it looks like a complete statement. We've got the leaked specs right here, and if they're even half true, the competition should be very, very worried. Stick around, because the estimated price at the end is the real kicker. Let's break it down. Features of the Nokia X50 Pro 5G. The display. First up, the screen. We're looking at a massive 6.9-inch OLED display, with a super sharp QHD plus 1.5K resolution. Everything from movies to games is going to look incredibly crisp and vibrant. It also features a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and a super responsive 390Hz touch sampling. That means faster, more fluid scrolling and a real edge in competitive games. For protection, it's got Corning Gorilla Glass 6, and an in-display fingerprint scanner for security. The camera system. Alright, this is the big one. The camera system on the X50 Pro is wild. The primary sensor is rumored to be a 150-megapixel shooter. Let that sink in, but it's not alone. It's joined by a 32-megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing more of the scene, and a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, for incredible optical zoom without losing any detail. And for selfie lovers, the front-facing camera is no slouch either. It's a 50-megapixel sensor that should deliver incredibly detailed photos and videos. Performance and software. Under the hood, this thing is a beast. It's reportedly powered by the top-of-the-line Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. This chip is built to handle anything you can throw at it, from the most demanding games to intense multitasking, without breaking a sweat. On the software side, it's expected to run the latest Android 16 out of the box. Even better, Nokia is reportedly promising a whopping 5 years of OS updates. That's a level of long-term support that's rare in the Android world. Battery life. Battery anxiety? Probably not with this phone. It's rumored to pack a massive 7700 mAh battery. That's not just an all-day battery, that's a potential 2-day battery for many users. And when you do need to recharge, 100-watt fast charging means you can go from 0 to full in a surprisingly short amount of time. Price and launch date. So, with all these flagship-level specs, what's the damage? This is the most surprising part. The Nokia X50 Pro 5G is expected to be priced at around $899. Let me repeat that, for a phone with a 150-megapixel camera, a top-tier processor, and a huge battery, that price is firmly in the mid-range category. If this holds true, Nokia isn't just launching a phone, they're launching a flagship killer. As for the launch date, sources suggest it's coming very soon. So what do you think? Does the Nokia X50 Pro 5G have what it takes to be your next phone? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments.